Now let's just start drawing this drawing. So for that I will start from the center, and if you look at this one, so you can see the center will having a width of 10. So we have this total length as 14, so you have to subtract 2 from this side and 2 from this side. In that case you're going to get this width as 10. Now if you talk about this height, you see the height is 17 from this point to this point, and from there you have to subtract 3, that will be equal to 14. So let's draw a rectangle. I will start from here, 10 tab 14, press enter. Now I'm going to create an offset of 2 unit, then click here and then here. Now I'm going to apply fillet inside it, so simply tap F enter and simply set the radius. You can see the radius is 2, and then click on polyline and then apply, and then I will apply it here. Now after that I will create a chamfer. So for that I'll simply tap CHA, press enter. Now you have to set the distance, so set the distance, so distance will be 4 unit, so press enter. Then second chamfer distance will also 4 unit, click here, then click on this first line and then click on this second line. Now from this center we have to draw a circle of radius 4. So let's draw a circle of radius 4 from this midpoint and then press enter. Now after that what you have to do is you have to simply trim the extra part. Simply trim the part which is no longer required, just like this and this, and then press enter. Now again we have to apply you can see we have applied a fillet of radius 2. So you can simply type 2 fillet. If you try to do that, you can see you have an issue. You cannot do that because this one is not exploded yet. So you can simply select it and type X and then press enter. Now you can apply the fillet. You can simply click here and then click here, and then you can press enter to repeat the command. Click here and then here. Now after that we don't need this one, so you can simply select it and delete it from here. Now that we have completed this part, let's move to this part, and for that you can see we have some sort of reference line. You can see from this point to this point the distance is 1 unit, because the inner circle having a radius of 1 unit, so from there you can conclude that this distance is 1 unit. So simply type L and then click here and then 1 and then enter and then press enter. So here we have to draw 2 circles of radius 1 and then radius 2. So let's draw it. Press enter to repeat the command, then radius 2. Now that we have drawn the circles, so what you have to do is you have to use the tangent radius, tangent and the circle with radius 7 here and then radius 3 here. So let's do that. Type C, click on tangent radius, click here, then here. You can see the radius is 7. Simply type 7, then press enter. Press enter to repeat the command. Click on this one, click here and then here, and after that you see the radius is 3, so simply type 3 and then press enter. Now all you need is just to simply trim the extra part. So you can simply trim it from here. You can trim this part, you can trim this part. You can see this one, you can just simply select it and drag it here, just like this, and now we have a clean area. So you can see we have to trim this part as well, this part, this. After that press escape. Now let's move to this part, and for that we have to draw a line. You can see from this point to this point the distance is 3 unit. So let's draw a line from its mid, which is at 3 unit. Press enter, and then we have to draw a circle of dia 1.6. Click here and then you can just simply type D, or you can just simply go here and click on this one D. You can see the die is 1.6. Press enter. Then again we have to draw a circle of radius 1.4. Press enter to repeat command. Press enter. Now here we have to again use the tangent radius here and then here as well. So let's simply use that circle. Press enter. Then click on tangent radius. Then click on this one, and then after that click on this line, and the radius is 7. So simply type 7 and then press enter. Now here as well we have to draw our tangent radius of 1 unit. So simply press enter to repeat the command, and then click here, and you can see you have to click on this point. You press escape, click on tangent radius, click on this point and then this point, and then simply enter the radius, which is 1, and then press enter. Now we have this small circle. Now all we need is just to simply trim the extra part. Now let's trim the extra part. So you can see we have cleaned this thing. Now what you have to do is you have to get rid of these lines. Just like this. And after that we need to get rid of these lines. Now you can just simply delete it from here. You can simply press escape, select this line, and still we need to trim this part just to disjoint this, and now you can select this and delete it from here. Now you can see this is our final drawing.